That dream felt so real, didn't it? I gotta figure out how to stream to YouTube, man, but I'm gonna be late for work. Psst. Hey, stop scrolling. Streaming to YouTube doesn't need to be a dream. Psst. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. I don't know what just happened, but where am I? My man, relax. You're in the hyperbolic chamber. Hours in the real world is only minutes inside of here, man. Plus, you said you wanted to learn how to stream to YouTube on the PS5, right? So let's go ahead and make that a reality, man. Have a seat. Let's do this.
What is going on? Are you kidding me?
So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is adjust the settings on the PS5. So go ahead and click right here. So what you wanna do next is you wanna go ahead and scroll down and you wanna go ahead and select captures and broadcast. Go ahead and scroll down to where it says broadcast. So you wanna go ahead and select video quality, and you wanna make sure that you have it at the highest FPS, which is 1920 by 1080, 60 FPS. You then wanna go ahead and select audio. You wanna go ahead and select include party audio. Then you wanna go ahead and select camera. Then you wanna make sure display camera is on. And then you wanna go ahead and adjust these settings right here. Next, you're gonna select overlays. All right, next you wanna make sure you have display chat, display activity, and overlay position bottom right selected. Then you wanna go ahead and select chat to speech, and then you can go ahead and decide whether you wanna have this on or off based on your liking. All right, so now we wanna go ahead and select the game that we're gonna play. I'm gonna go ahead and select God of War Ragnarok. So you wanna go ahead and scroll over to the right, select broadcast, and then we're gonna go ahead and select YouTube. You're then gonna wanna go ahead and select link account. And now what you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and enter in your email for your YouTube account. Then you wanna go ahead and enter in your password for your YouTube account. Then you wanna make sure you select allow. Then you wanna select done. Then you wanna go ahead and enter in a title. Then you wanna go ahead and input the description. And then you wanna go ahead and input your tags. Then you wanna go ahead and select your privacy, and you wanna make sure you put this as public. Then you wanna go ahead and select these three little dots right here. Now you wanna make sure that all of these broadcast options are correct. And now you wanna go ahead and press go live.
Babe, honey, you're gonna be late for work.
Late for what?
You're gonna be late for work, babe. It's time to get up.
Tell me I was dreaming? The craziest thing just happened. I literally was sleeping, woke up, I was heading to work, and literally I was on my phone and then I got sucked into my phone. I know it sounds crazy, but I met this guy named Las Curry. I was inside the hyperbolic chamber and he taught me how to stream to YouTube on a PS5. And you're telling me none of that was real?
No, honey, I think that was just a dream. It's time to get ready for work. You're gonna be late. Come on, babe, get up.
There's no way that was fake. No way. Shh, it wasn't a dream. Watch this video next. I knew it.